there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you about the new web capture feature in Microsoft Edge. So, this feature has been newly released in the Microsoft Edge, and this is absolutely fantastic. So, I'll tell you how to use this feature. So, this feature is now available in the normal Edge. It was ago available in the Edge development in the Canary and in the beta, but now it has come to the normal Edge. So I'll tell you how to use that. So there are some things that are not available in the web capture of the normal Microsoft Edge but available in the Edge developer, but that doesn't matter a lot, and I'll just show you what is the difference. So first let's go to the normal Edge. Here you can see I have my YouTube channel open. Now I have made a PPT upon my YouTube channel and I will share it to the internet. So I just want to take a snap of my channel. So now I can click on the triple dots and now click on web capture to take the part of my channel. Now you would ask that why do you need the web capture, because you can already take, like if you go to snip and sketch like this, you can just take the portion of that, and that's as simple as that. But guys, just one thing to tell you, that there's a slight difference between it. So I'll show you the difference between Snip and Sketch and the web capture of Microsoft Edge. So here we go to Snip and Sketch. We click on open and we click on the new snip. So now I'm taking the portion. Now the problem is that you just get to see the portion. This is not exactly what I wanted. I wanted to take the whole channel's page, like the part which you couldn't get fit in one page. So how could you do that with the snip and sketch? That's not possible, right? So for that is the web capture of Microsoft Edge. So here you can click on the web capture, and now you can go down, and you can go through the whole page. And now you will get something called copy and add notes. Now copy means that you directly want to copy and you can add to your PPT. That's the best thing. But if you want to just sort of annotations, like you want to give some details, then you can just click on add notes. This will make you and help you to draw on your screen capture. So here I want to just see which is having the highest views. Maybe I'm going to circle this part so that I have got this much views, and you can write I got the highest views. Now you can share it if you want. I'm going to erase it and I'm going to show you what is the difference in the Edge developer. So this is the difference between Snip and Sketch and the web capture of the normal Edge. But now what is the difference between the web capture of normal Edge and Edge developer? So let me show you. Before that, let me tell you that you can save it to computer by clicking on save if you want to use it for a later use and not just for one PPT. Like I just want to use it for one PPT, so I'm going to click on copy. But for now, let's close it. I'm going to take it from the Edge developer. I'm going to click on Edge developer. Here I put the triple dots. I click on web capture. Now you have two options: pre-select, full page. So this is the difference. Like ago, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down like that. So maybe there was some problem with that. So Edge has now provided the full page option. But the best thing which I felt is that here you see that the above thing is not coming. This thing like Technology Man's World, this download multiple tab, undo, redo, and the link. This is the best thing I felt, and that was why I wanted to use the web capture. And also it just takes the down part also, which can't be seen in one go. Now I can just copy it. Now it will tell copied. Now I can close it. I'll also take the normal capture and copy it. So click on pre-select, take the copy of the part I want actually, and I'm going to click on add notes. I'm going to just click on the copy button. Okay, so that's what is the web capture of Microsoft Edge. So hope you liked the web capture feature of Microsoft Edge. If you want to cover any other feature of Microsoft Edge which you liked, or if you want to cover any other video of tech, just comment down below. And till then, goodbye guys.